Porsche marks the 60th anniversary of the iconic 911 with the introduction of a special edition model, the Porsche 911 ST. With a limited run of 1,963 vehicles, the 911 ST emphasizes a purist driving experience through its lightweight design and the inclusion of a high-revving engine from the 911 GT3 RS, which for the first time powers the road via a manual gearbox and lightweight clutch. The model combines the naturally aspirated 4-liter boxer engine from the 911 GT3 RS with a short-ratio manual transmission, delivering agility and driving dynamics. Weighing in at just 1,380 kilograms, the 911 ST is the lightest model of the 992 generation. The 911 ST is a homage to the purity of driving experience, combining the strengths of the 911 GT3 with the touring package and the 911 GT3 RS. This special edition reflects Porsche's GT and motorsport expertise, with an emphasis on agile and nimble handling designed for winding country roads rather than the track. This distinction sets the ST apart from the 911 GT3 RS, as the new model is engineered specifically for public road use rather than track performance. The name 911 ST pays homage to the original 911S, a high-performance model offered by Porsche in 1969. This race version of the 911S underwent significant modifications to improve acceleration, braking, traction, and cornering grip. The new 911 ST carries forward the spirit of its predecessor, combining elements from the 911 GT3 RS and 911 GT3 with touring package with specially developed lightweight components. The 911 ST's lightweight design features prominently in its agile and direct handling. Its front bonnet, roof, front wings, and doors are made of lightweight carbon fiber reinforced plastic, CFRP. Additional features include magnesium wheels, the PCCB system, a lithium-ion starter battery, and lightweight glass. The model is further stripped down by reduced insulation, the omission of rear-axle steering, and weight savings in the powertrain. A newly developed lightweight clutch and single-mass flywheel reduces rotating mass, improving engine responsiveness. The high-revving engine of the 911 ST, in conjunction with a 6-speed manual transmission and shorter gear ratio, promises immediacy in dynamics. This powertrain propels the 911 ST to 62 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, achieving a top speed of 184 miles per hour. The ST is the only 911 of the current generation to pair a double wishbone front axle design with a multi-link rear axle without rear axle steering. The dampers and control systems were tuned accordingly, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. The 911 ST's aerodynamics are optimized for the public road, with standard equipment including a gurney flap on the extending rear spoiler, lightweight center-locking magnesium wheels, and ultra-high-performance tires. The interior features CFRP full bucket seats, a classic green Porsche color scheme for the instrument cluster, and Sport Chrono package clock, and optional Sport Seat Plus. An optional exclusive heritage design package is available, featuring a new shore blue metallic exterior color and Ceramica wheel rim color. Other heritage elements include a classic design Porsche crest, optional starting numbers on the doors, cloth seat centers in classic cognac with black pinstripes, and two-tone semi-aniline leather trim. Porsche Design is also offering an exclusive chronograph 1911 ST watch to customers of the 911 ST, encapsulating the lightweight design principle of the new Purist 911 Special Edition. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.